Precision is everything when it comes to finishing stainless steel. Today, we're looking at how to achieve that perfect smooth finish with PFERD Micro-Cut burrs. Stainless steel is tough, and traditional tools often struggle to provide the fine finish required for high-end industrial applications. PFERD TC burrs with Micro-Cut are engineered for fine finishing, delivering high stock removal and superior surface quality simultaneously. These burrs are designed to operate with minimal vibration and significantly reduce noise, ensuring comfort during long shifts. The high concentricity prevents chatter marks, leaving a surface that is often ready for the next stage without further polishing. Perfect for leveling weld seams or precision work in tool and mold construction, these burrs machine materials up to 68 HRC. In summary, high surface quality, low vibration, and absolute dimensional stability. That is the PFERD advantage. Achieve the smooth finish your components deserve. Precision starts with PFERD. Thanks for watching.